Alright. So this is me replacing the vent, the screen on the chamber, the hyperbaric chamber at work. I'm gonna be real careful not to scratch this acrylics below me. I'll show you here in a second. Let's see if I can see that there. That should be good. Alright, so I'm gonna be careful not to scratch that down there. Not a lot to this, but I want to be careful not to scratch either the acrylic or puncture the screen, because the chamber will be down for a while, especially if I puncture the screen, so we don't have any more. Alright, so I already loosened this earlier. It's just 6 screws, nothing crazy, regular screwdriver. Got it in plastic because I don't want to scratch anything. So slide this back in here. Easier said than done. There we go. Slide that in there like that. So there it is. None to it. Just regular old screwdriver. And I just ran it underwater to clean it. I have to do this because the decompression will slow down once these start to get clogged up, which is what this chamber was starting to do. So we'll tighten these up and get the hell out of here because it is hard to tighten these from this angle. That's a real bitch, actually. Oh shit, see, that's what I'm talking about. Gotta be careful. If I puncture that screen, I'm fucked. Okay. I'm gonna tighten these here that I loosened up earlier. I don't take them all out just because I don't feel like putting them all back in. And I don't want any more loose screws floating around in this chamber. If one of these screws scratches the chamber, it's not going to really compromise anything. I just have to buff it out. And it is a pain in the ass trying to buff cracks out of acrylic.